welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look using crochet human hair with no leave out. So for today, I'm going to be working with Hot Braids. They sent me their kinky curly hair texture. So if you want to see how I created this very natural look, then you keep on watching this tutorial. This is the braid. Okay, cool. So for the do crochet hair, they do come like this with a thread in the middle, so it's easily installed in your braids. So I'm starting off at the front of my hair because I find that's the best install process. I did that a little bit too fast. Okay, so what I did was put the needle through. This latch is supposed to be down. I would take my thumb and my pointer finger and put it over the thing, that's whatever that's called. So then you make it lock by just playing with your braid. Okay, good. So when it comes to the knot, I just do one little knot like that. That's all I do. You gon' have to lend a shoulder, help me kill this thing over. I believe love me sees needs, and you can take responsibility. Somebody feeling, I'm feeling. Still gon' trade in years that we put in. So hold on, don't let me go. Hold on. Hey. So hold on, don't let me go. Okay, I think I'm finished with styling my hair, and yeah, I think I'm done.
So that was definitely very easy and very fast. Comparing it to obviously sewing your hair, this gives the same effect. And yeah. Okay, so this is how the Kinky Curly looks like. This is 20 inches. I cut the bottom of it just a little bit, and I layered just the front just a little bit so that it could be framed in my face. I put basically all the 245 grams that was sent to me. I think I have probably like 10 to 15 pieces that I didn't add to my hair. And yeah, I had no reason to why I never added it. I just was like, okay, this is full enough. I could stop, you know, it's okay. So yeah, I definitely recommend crochet hair to anybody that is wanting a sew-in look but is not ready to sit down to sew their own hair. DIY girls, this is the best hairstyle for us because it's very easy. There's no reason for you to have to go to a hairstylist to get crochet put into your hair, only to remove it. Like removing crochet hair is understandable. I would go to a hairstylist, but if you guys want a video of me removing my crochet hair out my head, then you let me know in the comments. But this is what it's looking like. So that's the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You let me know in the comments if you have any questions for me about this hair, any suggestions, anything. Just put it all in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.